To install Node.js, we need to go to the Node.js.org and download and install the long-term support version of the Node.js. In my case, I have already downloaded and installed that. After downloading and installing, we need to verify that it's indeed installed. So for that, let's go to the command line and let's verify that. So we are verifying that the Node version is installed. Yes, it indeed installed. And besides that, we also need to verify that the npm is also installed. And the npm is also installed. What's npm? npm is a node package manager. So in our project, we are in any project, right? We are using many dependencies, tools, and so on. So to download and install those dependencies to our project, we are using npm. After installing Node.js, we need to go ahead and choose the IDE of our choice, right? In our case, I am using the Visual Studio, so you can use any IDE of your choice. So we need to install that. We need to install the specific version for our operating system. In my case, I'm using Mac. I have already downloaded and installed for Mac OS. And after that, we can go ahead and start our first project in Node.js, right? So for that, let's make a directory for it. Let's create a directory for our first project. I'm gonna call it full course Node.js. And after creating a directory, we can go ahead and open that directory. So let's go to our Visual Studio and open our folder. So I'm opening the folder, and after opening the folder, we can create our first file. Let's just call it start.js, right? And in our start.js, what we are going to do is we are just going to print to console. We are going to print hello world, right? We are going to print hello world. Okay, that's it. So there are two ways how we can run our file. So how we can print the hello world to console. So the first one is that we go to the terminal and we can just type node start.js, right? And the other way is just simply running from our IDE. If we are running it, it prints for us hello world.